everyone. Today we're going to go over how to set up a print server. So over here I got a LaserJet Pro M203DW HP printer, and supposedly it can connect to the internet directly through using this button, but it doesn't work. So that's why we're doing our print server over here. So we got Ubuntu 20. So what you do is set up your printer. It's also in your settings. So you select that one. Or like you plug it in directly first. So this printer specifically works well when connected to USB 2.0. This is my USB 2.0 port. So what we're going to do is we're going to add printer, and it's connected with the USB, and select add, and it should automatically do your driver thingy. You can also test page. Now HP has a driver called HP Lip. It's actually crap. It prints worse than what Linux already provides, so this is the quality Linux provides. HP Lip is way worse, just letting you know, and this is pretty much the information. So it's right here. So to share it, you enable it, you share it, and if these are checked, it should be fine. And you have to double check that you're connected to the network, which I am. So this is shared now. So over here on my other computer, which is also Linux, it's a dual boot. So what you do is connect it to the same network that the server is on. You go to printers. And I already added it, but you know, you can add network, find network printer, or generic cups. Anyway, you can add it using that button, and it will search for it, and it should find it. Anyway, and adding it should be like really easy. So I'm gonna switch over to Windows and show you how to do it in Windows. So I'm on Windows. So what you have to do is press the Find Printer button, which I already pressed, but you just press Add a Printer, and the printer name at the print server should show up right here, or right under, and you just add it, and it's very simple. My print server is in Linux because that computer was originally Windows 7, and Windows 7 networking and sharing isn't compatible with Windows 10. So this is the next best thing if you want to save money. Thanks for watching your daily dose of Dinosaur. Don't forget to subscribe.